We are just leaving Kathmandu.
And we are jetting off to Dubai.
We have now arrived in Dubai and the local time is about 1 PM. And now we're here, we have 18 hours before our next connecting flight.
We're just on to Nath's area of expertise, which is getting the metro.
So we've decided to go big or go home, the Burj Khalifa. We're number 13 on the red route and the Burj is number 25, so we need to try and work out how to get a ticket. So that brings us back here. So we've got 2 tickets to the metro, 28 Dira, AED, whatever. I don't have a clue how much that is.
Courtesy of Google, that is £6.14. So if any of you guys are thinking about coming to Dubai, that's how much it is to get from the airport to the Burj on the metro and back. Just a quick shout out as well to Fly Dubai. They treated us real nice on our flight and we even had special treatment.
Yeah, they thought we was proper vloggers when we come on the plane, and as soon as we sat down, anything we can do, sir, do you want champagne? No, we're flying economy, you can't have champagne in economy.
Yeah, it was a bit taken aback, it's a bit posh for us, but very nice. Thanks Fly Dubai. Why am I so excited right now?
The next station is Burj Khalifa, Dubai Mall.
It smells so clean. Apparently the Dubai Mall is insane, so let's show you around.
Yeah, we were just about to go in.
The Dubai Mall has 4 floors and it's one of the largest malls in the world.
It's even got over 14,000 parking spaces.
They've even got an aquarium in here.
Never mind that, there's a decathlon in Dubai. You can spend so much time in here, but I feel like with our limited time, we need to do more than a shopping mall. I really don't know how you get out of this place. It's like one massive maze. It is huge and it is good, but I'm trying to get out. I've been distracted. I've just seen a sign saying the waterfall, so we're going to follow that.
That is amazing, isn't it? Okay, we need to try and find the Burj now because time is ticking. There it is, the Burj in all its glory. Wow. What do you think?
It's impressive, isn't it? Jesus.
It is.
I didn't think we'd be able to see the top, but see that clear as day. So that monstrosity there, 830 metres, mate, the world's tallest building. Wow. So what do you reckon then, bigger or shorter than Lupla's runway?
I reckon that's actually longer than Lupla's runway.
Longer than Lupla's runway.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Your favourite part now, Han?
Food.
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 Food, glorious food.
Nando's, mate.
Oh, I couldn't imagine seeing it any other way. Look at that. I feel like there's a lot more we could see in Dubai, but it is so hot and everywhere seems so far away, so we've just been chilling here and oh, what a view for it.
So yeah, as well as having this epic view of the Burj, we're waiting for the Dubai fountains to arrive, and according to Lonely Planet, they should be on around 6 PM.
Don't forget, This is the world's largest choreographed fountain show. Surprise, surprise, they're late. It's about 6:10 now and there's no show of the fountains, but we're ready.
I don't know what's happening down there, but they've got like a cannon and they've put a massive bullet in this cannon, or whatever you call it, rifle, and it's pointed our way. I think we should move. I told you, didn't I? I just thought I died.
Obviously it's Ramadan here at the moment, so that I guess symbolises that everyone can now eat, because everyone's sort of setting up little picnics. So we've just been told that it starts at 7:30 and somebody has gone and got herself a treat.
Well, I'm on holiday.
Last day of your holidays, babe.
That was amazing. Did you enjoy it?
Yeah, what a great way to finish this epic trip.
I know, it's such a great way to finish it.
Right, should we check in?
Yep, let's check in.
Right guys, we're back at the airport and we're about to board our plane, so that is a wrap for this video. Thank you for watching.
Yeah, we hope you've enjoyed our 18-hour connection layover at Dubai, because we had an absolute blast and it was the perfect way to end our EBC trip.
Yeah. Cheers for watching guys, bye bye.